Hello. Puggsy is being very difficult. We're trying to make a cocktail video about Blackberry Poblano Margaritas. Are we not, Puggsy? The fame has gone to her head, to say the least. I don't know what to do anymore. After 5 months in our New York apartment together, Puggsy and I have opted for a little bit of a change of scenery. While it's great being out of the city, adjusting to being around people again has been difficult, would you say? Tonight we're making Blackberry Poblano Margaritas, thanks to my father, because he says, and I quote, "We have blackberries and poblanos up the wazoo." So take a diced poblano, about an ounce of a diced poblano, an ounce of blackberry, muddle them in a shaker, an ounce and a half of tequila, and an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Add some simple syrup or agave to taste. Make sure it's not too tart. Shake over ice and strain into your glass of choice. We garnished it with a little blackberry, and then enjoy.